Judgment Night.
Judgment Night. Got gun got badge. Judgment Night. Who? Judgment Night. In the echo of a gun blast.
Judgment Night.
Over here and bust the way. Crush a sucker, go to sun, don't cease at 100 degrees. I'm cooling in your freezer.
He's a breezer.
I hits it up with that bald face trap, I sinks to the crack, and I make shit get wild, run it by, bust to start, to punch, others front top drop says up, it's more than a leisure bitch, every fucking grain in your brain, like a tweezer, the sinister thief, shaded to 6 feet deep for the misdemeanor, offender, the backbender corny nigger, the bullshit trip ender never perpetrator, so ain't no lurking in the dark, I'm lurking near the working nigger's heart used to be a gambler, when I was a scrambler, now I'm grand to her, sure the bat might damage her, who's this here, state my facts, and react and saturate brains with a plate of hot wax, intertwining, combining and aligning, shining, studies in the light right now while we wreak fucking havoc. Judgment Night. Got gun got badge. Judgment Night. Who? Judgment Night. In the echo of a gun blast.
Judgment Night.
Judgment Night. Got gun got badge. Judgment Night. Who? Judgment Night. In the echo of a gun blast.
Judgment Night.
Come inside with his highness, the alienist, killing him with adrenaline, blast past the minimum, look to the winter's ugliness, ruggedness under the rug, front to this, money strikes confidence, chopped in the days and the blazing smell, then the realm of scenes, I black loose, guns. Coming to the project, walls with a K's, we're talking days, word, that you son you really want some next shit, some blood on the exit.
Onyx.
Watch me wreck shit as the exit, but here I keep him hollering, scream him out for mercy, minds are the lowest of enemies, ghetto mentality, so blast it as I hit your head, you're dead not disbelieving, got the toxic rock, to bring a nigga biohazard. Judgment Night. Got gun got badge. Judgment Night. Who? Judgment Night. In the echo of a gun blast.
Judgment Night.
Judgment Night. Got gun got badge. Judgment Night. Who? Judgment Night. In the echo of a gun blast.
Judgment Night. Ew. Give me that shit, you fucking bald-headed bastard.
What the evil nasty access.
Mad shit to burn the acids.
So ashes to ashes.
Raps with the ghetto gats.
And I'm doing niggers, ruin them, showing them my raise amate's mainly a devil rebel, foul.
Niggas know we fucking wild.
I'm wild.
I'm wild.
He's wild.
So he's wild.
Capture the rapture.
Come blackness after.
I swear to fucking God I raise hell and make the white man call me master. I'm 666 and need to repent to the pastor, so fuck the radio and close your ears, but read my lips, I rips, and if you eat my words I'll leave you strung like it was on the tip of my tongue, but now it's stuck in between my throat, I can't breathe so I lick it.
Onyx.
Ain't the topic, you must be sucking a black dick. And if it takes the death of me to make history, the whole world will remember my misery. I know what I'm trying to say, my words get in the way, they render me speechless. Oh black Jesus, I'm crying inside, couldn't give a fuck if I live or die, cause I'm just a slave who's brave, but fuck picking cotton, I'd rather see my grave, so I meditated, before I was created, and if you prefer sorrow, made me reincarnated, now I'm back ruling MCs, but pussy niggers increase, well then it's just another nigger that gotta get greased, so if you want to talk shit, in order to avoid a fight, say what the fuck you wanna say, just spell my name right.
Yeah, motherfucker. Judgment Night.
Judgment Night. Got gun got badge. Judgment Night. Who? Judgment Night. In the echo of a gun blast.
Judgment Night.
Judgment Night. Got gun, got badge. Judgment Night. Who? Judgment Night. In the echo of a gun blast.
Judgment Night.
Judgment Night. Got gun, got badge. Judgment Night. Who? Judgment Night. In the echo of a gun blast.
Judgment Night.